Yeah, we squadded up around here. Yeah, big squad shit. Yes, sir. It's the stuff you don't see, but we're getting smooth. Super cool. This shit is like crazy. You want a little bro? You know why I call you little, right? It's not because of size. It's because of stupid. You know what I mean?
You're going off footage.
Not because of size, because of skill. Yeah, last night was crazy. We were so wrapped up into the project, man, that we ain't really pay attention to the time. And of course, you know, the water get a little different at night, man. One of my guys made a decision like, yo, let's just push it all the way through and finish this shit off. We don't want to do the base coat tomorrow. We want to do it tonight. So we did it, which put us out on the water super late, y'all. Man, I tell you, I got a whole new respect for the ocean. Scared the shit out of us. We got caught in a storm, raining. I'm gonna give y'all a little clip of what that shit look like too, man. Crazy boat rocking, fucking captain getting smacked in his face with water. We scared. Hey, different. We're ready to take our asses back across the back to the island this morning, man, and get back to it. Hopefully we can finish this shit before it get dark, cause that shit wasn't it. I ain't blind. You can't see. He needs to light out this motherfucker. I'm so blind now.